morning, welcome back, or if you're brand new to this channel, then just welcome in general. I hope that you stick around. My name is Sophie Stein, and today, as you can see from the title, I'm doing a what I eat in a day. This is gonna be a more healthy, plant-based version of what I eat in a day because I'm really trying to get back on track. I've really not been eating well for the last, I don't even know how long, but I just have not really been thinking about what I've been eating. I've just been eating like anything and everything that I want to for a while now, and I'm definitely starting to feel the consequences of that. I haven't been sleeping as well. I feel like I wake up and I'm like puffy in my face and I just feel bloated all the time. I've just really not been feeling like myself and not been feeling good for quite a while now. So I thought I would share a what I eat in a day when I'm like getting back on track. Personally for me, I really love eating plant-based. I'm not 100% vegan by any means. I'm not even plant-based or whatever. I think those two things mean the same thing. I know for a fact that I feel so much better and my body is just way healthier whenever I'm eating like mostly plant-based foods, but I also really like to eat like milk chocolate and ice cream. I have just been doing way too much of that over the past couple months. Like I've been eating so much chocolate, so much dairy, so much just like crap. Like honestly, I've just kind of gone off the rails in terms of what I'm eating, and it's not been good. I've also gained a little bit of weight, which isn't the end of the world, but still like I just don't feel my best. So today is all about getting back on track, eating healthy, remembering how good it feels to eat really well. So I'm gonna take you through every single thing that I eat and drink today, and hopefully this will give you some inspiration or some ideas of like some healthy recipes. I love watching these kind of videos, especially like healthier ones, because they just give me a lot of ideas of like easy, healthy recipes that I just never thought of doing before. I am starting off my day with a liter of lime water. So I put probably about half a lime in here. I like to get in like half a liter, which I think is 16 ounces of water before I have my coffee in the morning or before I like eat or drink anything else. Alrighty, I will see you guys next time I'm eating or drinking something. It's a little bit later now. I finished my water and now I'm eating a peach. It is so good, you guys. Peaches are still good right now because it is the end of summer still technically, even though in my heart it's fall. But they're very ripe and juicy right now, so love a peach. I got organic peaches and they taste so much better than the non-organic peaches. I just have to say that. It's like night and day difference. So I'm really enjoying this peach. Speaking of peaches, I thought I would just show you our new fruit bowl because I think it's so pretty. It's from Target and it's just this like really big, thick, like raw wood, and it's really big. This was literally full of peaches a couple days ago, but I ate them all because I cannot be stopped. But yeah, I just thought I would share this. This looks like the peach emoji, like the butt emoji. I just thought I would share this bowl with you because it's really pretty and I love it. I feel like it kind of looks like art and it makes our kitchen counter look cuter. So I will link this bowl below. Okay, it's time for a snack, and I decided to make a toast recipe that I've actually never made before. It's kind of a version of avocado toast. I got the idea from this girl I follow on Instagram called Lonely Jane. She's like really cool and always sharing really great healthy recipes, but she just does celery and avocado toast, and I decided to add some cucumber and Kalamata olives as well and drizzle with some olive oil and sprinkle with Maldon sea salt, and I used a really delicious garlic sourdough that we got from the farmer's market. And you guys, this is my new favorite snack. Okay, it's probably been about 20 minutes since I just finished the last thing I showed you, the toast with all the stuff on top, and I'm already having another peach because I'm still a little bit hungry, to be honest with you. I'm like hungrier today, I feel like, than usual, but I didn't really have a big dinner last night, so that's probably why. I also have not even had a coffee yet, which is strange. I actually only drink decaf coffee, by the way. I think I mentioned this before, but my body does not know how to deal with caffeine. Like a tiny bit of caffeine will make me feel like really jittery and anxious. So all the coffee I make is decaf. So I don't drink coffee for energy at all. I just have it for like the flavor and the coziness and like the ritual of it. I really love like making myself a cup of coffee. So I'll probably make myself a coffee in a little bit. But yeah, for now I'm just enjoying a peach, and I've been getting a lot of work done, lots of emails on my computer all day. It's just a work from home day. Anyway, I'm just rambling, but I'm gonna eat my peach and I'll let you know when I make a coffee probably. All right, it is time to make myself a coffee. I think it's around like 5 p.m. and I'm feeling cozy, and I just kind of want a little pick-me-up, you know what I mean? Even though there's no caffeine, it still just like picks me up. I already have my little pumpkin spice milk in here. Actually, let me show you. Let me just show you. I don't know why I didn't film me pouring in the milk. I look like a mess today because I've just been home all day working Haven't looked at myself once. Okay, Oatly. This is a very, very key ingredient. I feel like this is deja vu because I talked about this in my last vlog. But yes, Oatly, full fat. And then I put a lot of this in as well. I probably put like a 1/4 cup of this in as well. This is the Clique pumpkin spice almond milk creamer, and it is so good. So I've got my pumpkin spice oat milk situation in there ready to be steamed. And now I need to get, I don't know why I'm showing you how I make this because I showed it in my last vlog, but whatever. So I've got 2 shots of espresso in here, and then I have my pumpkin spiced milk here. I'm just gonna press the steam button and let it do its thing. All right, here's my afternoon homemade pumpkin spice latte. Highly recommend you try this Clique pumpkin spice creamer if you haven't yet. Also Oatly, just you gotta get on board with Oatly, otherwise you're living under a rock. All right, I'm gonna go enjoy my latte, finish up some work, and then I will catch up with you next time I'm eating. Honestly, I haven't had a huge appetite today. It's funny, I was pretty hungry this morning, but then after I ate those peaches and that little like snacky lunch toast thing, I've been pretty full. So I'm just going with the flow. I know I have sushi dinner tonight and that's gonna fill me up. So I'm probably not gonna eat honestly until then if I'm not hungry, and I think this is gonna tie me over till then. I'm just listening to my body and doing what feels right. But yeah, this pumpkin spice latte definitely feels right. Okay, next time I see you will probably be at sushi. So it's a little bit later now and I'm about to head out to dinner. This is my little outfit. I'm very leopardy, but I think it's cute. I think this is my very first like fall kind of looking outfit this year, which is very exciting. As far as like going out of the house, I've just been dressing like cozy and fall inside, of course, because that's just what I do, even though it's really hot outside. But we're going to dinner and I know it's gonna be cold inside, so I thought I would just wear a cutesy sweater. See you at sushi. So we went to one of our favorite little sushi restaurants and I forgot to film before I ate, so I hope you enjoy this little montage of the menu and my saucy, dirty plates with 1 roll left on them. But I got a miso soup, a side of hibachi veggies, and a really good like veggie sushi roll, and I had a really great time with the girls. I've been home for a while actually, and I completely forgot to end the vlog. Well, I didn't forget, I remembered now, but I almost forgot. It is like 5 minutes past midnight and I am so tired, but I got home at like, I don't know, 9:30 or something, and just started watching hockey with my dad and Josh. Now I'm just about to make some nighttime tea. For some reason, it's become like such a routine of mine to have tea before bed every single night, so I feel like I kind of can't go to sleep without it. So I'm just making some puka nighttime tea right now. I'm gonna let this steep for like 5 minutes and then add some honey and drink it and then go to bed. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you are not subscribed yet, please do subscribe, and I will see you. I'm like literally so tired I'm falling asleep. I will see you in the next video very soon. Bye.